It may have started with a woman walking in the middle of the night through deserted land, scorched and dried up, with nothing but the remains of what once was nature. She was angry, but not sad. Her mind refused to accept a disrupted future, and her soul was burning to make right what was wronged. She looked up to the sky at the glowing full moon and howled. The howl was heard by a wolf who recognized the woman's anger, for the wolf's land too was burned and weakened. The wolf started howling back to the woman in pain, but with a powerful dedication restoring nature in its glorious way. After the howling, both wolf and woman returned to their packs and told them about the fucked up industry that destroys the planet and how to take back what belonged to them in the first place.